In Fleet 448, we added the capabilities to collect VS Code extensions. For example, if you go to the software tab, you will now see VS Code extensions installed on your devices. We can see a sample here, VS Code Vim extension, that it's installed, the version, and then you can see that it's installed on two of the hosts here. If we select vulnerable software, obviously, if Fleet collects these VS Code extensions, Fleet will also scan for vulnerabilities in them. We can see a sample here. GitHub VS Code version 060 has a CVE reported in 2023. So if we enter here, we can see this extension is installed on one of my hosts here. And what I'm going to show now is that I have a script that ran the following command that updates all the extensions. It forces an update of all the extensions in VS Code. So I go to controls in here, scripts, just in case I'm going to delete this from a previous. So I'm going to upload the script that we were looking at. And then going to go back to the host that has the vulnerability, click the host, actions, run script. I'm going to run the script. All right, it did run the script. Let me see details. It did update the VS Code extensions on this device. Now the GitHub extension is now 086.1 and no vulnerabilities in it. So we patched the CVE on the device. Thank you for listening.